Okay, so this is a parrot nesting box that I had to remove from a customer last night. I went into their where they raise parrots in their backyard, and this box was hanging on a cage, and it actually has a couple of eggs in it I may be able to salvage. But as you can see, they're in there busy building, and I don't know how long they've been in there. Maybe it could be a couple of days, it could be a week or so. I just don't know for sure. So I have a 5-frame nuke hive ready to go. There's my son Marshall helping me clean it out. He's gonna be riding shotgun with me today in this removal, which is, it's gonna be kind of interesting because look, there's this thing you can open right there on the side, but I may not be able to access them good enough. So I may have to disassemble or cut into this box a bit. I don't want to, because I kind of want to be able to return this box intact to the customer, especially the eggs if I find them. And I have this material right here to pad the eggs and place them in when I find it. So anyway, I'm going to start trying to figure out how I'm going to get these bees out of here and the comb with doing the least amount of destruction. Alright, so I'm opening up this box to see if there's eggs in the bottom. And I see some shells in here right when I open it up, and I don't know what could have possibly got to the eggs and opened them up like that. I find it hard to believe bees could do that, but so I don't see any sign of any other eggs in here. But I'm going to try to sift through here a little bit more, and then I'm going to go for the bees. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, film up here. That's about the extent of the comb they have built at the top. Okay. So now, I'm not going to dump the bees out of there because of all that bedding at the bottom. So I'm going to have to gently get handfuls.
What if you vacuum?
I could, but I'm not.
Too big of a deal?
Yeah. I'm not going to stress about finding the queen right now because I have a feeling once they're in this hive, of which I already have some comb, they're going to stay put. They're not going to have any real reason to abscond, but I could be wrong, but I'm just gambling on that.
Oh, I think I saw the queen. I think. Right there?
No, it's a drone.
Okay.
Learn your bees, Marshall. Learn your bees. Ah!
Just... Oh, there's another drone.
Yeah, I was just kidding with Marshall. He pointed at a drone and thought it was a queen.
That'd be so cool if we could find the queen, though.
Let's see if they come over here or something. Yep.
Carrying all the feathers around. Sheesh.
So what I'm going to have to do is also give them some supplies to anchor them. You know, those empty slots I'm going to pull out of another hive. Remember the hive I told you about? They were having trouble evaporating the honey?
Yeah.
I'm going to take some of that off their hands.
The honey?
Yeah, the honey.
Alright.
Okay, so me and my son have gotten gently grabbed handfuls of these bees. Hey, Marshall. And grabbed them out of here. By the way, I had to use the multi-tool to saw the top of this roof off. I just, you know, did it along the seams very cleanly. So this box can be reused. It'll be easy to repair. And so here they are orienting to this 5-frame nuke, and I'm going to give them some supplies to help them along, you know, nectar, pollen, and maybe even some brood. And they should stay anchored. There's already a little bit of dry comb in there, so they're attracted to that already, I'm sure. That's what's left. So I may try to get 1 or 2 more handfuls, and then I'm going to try to smoke the remainder of these out of here. Okay, I'm smoking them out of here, slowly but surely. And of course they're orienting to the new 5-frame nuke I have set out for them. Can you imagine trying to, you know, you can't just dump this thing out with all that bedding at the bottom. So this is working well with the smoke, getting the bees out of here. In fact, they're almost all the way out now. And I do not see any sign of eggs in here, unfortunately, that the customer thought may be able to be salvaged. And this box has not been knocked around or anything like that, so this stayed upright and very stable. Alright, I gave them some supplies from another hive, you know, a bunch of pollen, nectar, and even a little bit of brood, and stuck that frame in there already, and now I just have to stick another empty frame in that last slot, put the lid on, and they're good to go. I guarantee you the queen's going to stay put, even though I have not seen her, just because it's the best option available, especially with the supplies I gave them to get a head start. Might as well get a picture of my yard while it's still green in summertime, and we've had plenty of rain this year. By the way, I plan on getting that barrel hive going again pretty soon. I already have some supplies being built on longer bars. And in fact, in this hive right here, this top bar hive that's pretty strong, I stuck some longer bars in there so they can start building on those, and then I'll just transfer them to my barrel hive over there. I haven't had that thing going in probably 3 or 4 years. All right. Thanks for watching. I'm assuming this is a successful removal. What do you have in your mouth? Come here. What do you have in your mouth? What is that? What do you have? What do you have in your mouth?